Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I wanted to review a question I hear a lot, almost every day, and that is, am I a good candidate for a hair transplant? So to have a good hair transplant, you have to have a couple things. Most importantly, you have to have appropriate, good donor hair being the permanent hair you have on the side and the back. It's also important to go to a clinic that understands when to tell somebody they're not a candidate, to tell them no. I'm not going to do the surgery because you're not going to have a good result, or you have an expectation that I can't meet. So it's very important to have a clinic that's not just going to take your money and do a patient, even if they're not a candidate. So if someone has a tiny little rim of hair around the side and the back, and they say, Dr. Huebner, I'm not going to be happy until I have a full head of hair like yours, there is no clinic anywhere in the world that can do that. Perhaps in the future with cloning and some other advances, maybe we could replicate hair, cells in a petri dish, make a bunch of copies and implant them. But as of now, all we're doing is moving hair from the back to the top. You have to have the real estate. You have to have good quality donor to have a good result. You also have to have an expectation that is on planet Earth. Again, you have a guy with thin, wispy hair who wants to grow an afro or have hair like mine. Just not possible. You get the kind of hair that you have. So also understanding a realistic result will give you about 30 to 40% of the density that you have in the donor. It's simple math. You're taking hair from the back and you're spreading it out over a much bigger area. So all of these things are important to make you a good candidate for a hair transplant, good donor, realistic expectations. You want to go to a clinic that will tell you no when it's appropriate. There are other factors, and again, a lot of different details that get, extruded in the consultation. Please give us a call here at Natural Transplants. We'd love to give you a free consultation and let you know if you are a candidate or not. If you're a good candidate, if you're a mediocre candidate, we will be honest with you and let you know, even if you go somewhere else to have a surgery. Give us a call here, 844-327-4247. I look forward to talking with you. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.